Hey guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change the location of the feature from one place to other place by rerouting the feature references. For this you have to go 3 steps. First, get the information of the parents and children of the feature. Second, rerouting the references of the children feature, and third, finally you can reroute the features. This is a model for which I am going to show how to reroute the features. In this model I am going to reroute these features. To reroute the feature, I have to select the feature and right click it and select the edit the reference of the selected items, and the pop-up menu will come, and in this pop-up menu there are what are the references are taken for the features. So first, this is a sketching reference. For this sketching reference I am giving this as a sketching reference, and the next references I am using this as a same and this also as a same, and finally for this I am changing the reference to this. If I am trying to click OK, there one appears, that is regeneration failure. So it is unable to regenerate. This is because of children features which are having a reference with these main features. So we have to know what are the parents and children of our main features which I am going to reroute. To know the informations, we have to select the same feature and right click it and click informations. In this click in the informations, we can know what are the feature information, model information, and also the reference. So for this I am going to know what are the references are taken by the parents and children of these features. So if I am selecting OK, in this thing we can know what are the parents and children of our main feature which I am going to reroute. This is a parent and these are the children's. So these children are not allowing to regenerate. This is because it having a references with the surface and edge of our main feature which I am going to reroute. We have to change these references by changing the reference with other thing. So for doing so, we have to change the reference of extrude number 3 and hole 3. For doing, we have to first I am going to select the extrude number 3. So just right click it, click the reference, edit the reference, and I am using the same sketching plane. This no problem, this no problem, and for this it's taking the reference with our main feature. For this I am selecting this as a reference. So if I am click OK, the distance will be changed, since the distance given to this is different as distance from this reference. So I have to change it by clicking edit and changing the dimension as required. And now I am going to change the hole number 3. So just right click it and click the edit the reference of the selected items. For this I am using the same sketching plane, no problem, but for this it is connected with our main feature which I am going to reroute. So I have to change this reference to this, and third one is no problem, it is away from our features. So click OK. Now the feature is isolated, so now we can easily relocate the features. Do the same as before, just right click it, edit the references of this, and in the sketching plane I am going to use this as a sketching plane. For reference I am using the same, this also as a same, and for this I am going to change as this. If I click OK, then the feature will be rerouted without regeneration error. So this is a way we can reroute the features. Thank you.